Hi, I'm Melissa. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this easy look. The eye look only uses 2 ShadowSense shadows from SeneGence, and it is really easy to do. I'm starting out with L'Oreal's True Match Lumi Liquid Glow Illuminator, which you can use as a primer in W101. So I'm applying this primer with a damp beauty blender, and as you can see, this gives you a glow to start with. Next, I'm applying Lancome's Tint Idol Ultra Wear Camouflage Concealer in number 250 Bisque. I'm applying some of this concealer everywhere that I want extra coverage. Oh, how I love a damp beauty blender. I'm applying SeneGence Make Sense Foundation in the color Dewy. I have been wearing this for my daily foundation and I am absolutely loving it. It has a very mousse-like texture. The other nice thing about this product is it will adjust a few shades up or down to match your skin tone, which is definitely nice because I don't know about you, but my skin definitely changes throughout the year depending on how much I'm out in the sun. I'm going to pop on some brows using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in the color Ebony. The brow definer is such an easy product to use to just fill in your brows for every day. This eye look is so pretty, but it is so simple. So I'm using 2 of the SeneGence ShadowSenses. The lighter color is a Sandstone Pearl Shimmer, and the darker color is the Rose Gold Shimmer. The shadows are applied on a little applicator that is just like a lip gloss applicator, except it's for your eye. And you have about 1 minute and 30 seconds to blend it in after you apply. It is a cream to powder eyeshadow. So I'm going to be applying a little bit of this under the brow. Also going to apply a little bit of it kind of on the inner corner here. And I'm just using a little Morphe brush to go in and blend in that shadow. The ShadowSense shadows are really nice because they're super easy to blend. I feel like they're just very goof-proof, even if you're not very good at makeup. You don't have to use an eye primer and they're still very long-lasting. Next, I'm using the Rose Gold Shimmer. And I'm going to be applying this color on the eyelid, blending it up into the crease also. So I just kind of roughly apply it wherever I want with the applicator, and then I go back in with the blending brush to just blend in that shadow exactly where I want it. It's just so easy to blend. Under the eye, I'm also going in with the Rose Gold Shimmer along the lash line, not quite all the way in to the center, but close. I'm going to pop a little bit more shadow on the lid also. The 2 shadows together give a gorgeous shimmery coppery gold look. I also popped some extra Sandstone Pearl Shimmer in the inner corner, and now I'm using Maybelline's Starlight Gold Light Liner in the waterline. This is just a really pretty light shimmery gold. For a liner, I am using Clinique's Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen in black. I'm using some Clinique High Impact Extreme Volume Mascara in Extreme Black on my top lashes. And on my bottom lashes, I'm using Clinique's Bottom Lash Mascara. For lashes, I'm using Vegas Nay and Allure's Shining Star Lashes. These are fairly natural lashes. They are nice and curled, but they are short. So it's just going to give you some lash volume, and you can still see a wing if you have a wing. Use some of the darkest color from Kat Von D Contour Palette. Just add a little contour. For bronzer, I'm using Physician Formula Bronze Booster Medium to Dark. I just got my hair dyed this morning. If my hairline looks a little funny, that's why. But I do have this pretty braid. That is Cocoa. Barking up a little storm. Just get some fake sun going on. This is Make Sense Pearlizer from SeneGence, and so it's like a liquid highlight. So I'm going to apply some of this with Beauty Blender. For blush, I'm using Pacifica Wild Rose. For lips, I'm using Precious Topaz by LipSense. This is a super long-lasting lipstick if you haven't tried it. How you have to apply it is in 3 thin layers. Let it dry between each layer and shake it up to start. With LipSense, you always have to use a gloss. I'm using a Glossy Gloss. I'm liking Precious Topaz for this look because it also has some shimmer. It has little silver sparkles in the lipstick. See, I have this cute necklace. It kind of goes with our golden copper vibe. So here is our final glowy makeup look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to do this shimmering golden copper look that is so easy to do using a couple of the ShadowSense shadows. I am a SeneGence distributor, so if you're interested in the shadows or trying out any of the other products, get in touch with me in the box below. Also, please give this video a thumbs up if you appreciated it, and leave me a comment if you have any video ideas or suggestions. Have a beautiful week. I hope that you are enjoying summer.